In this video, number 7 of 8, in our series on how to make more money as a professional coach or personal trainer, writing program design and doing one-on-one sessions in a group fitness facility, we're gonna talk to you guys about how to make money when you're not even there. This is your person who is going to come to you once every week, 2 weeks, month. Ideally, what I want you guys to be able to start doing is telling every single new member who comes here, because it's the truth, we believe everybody should do at least one-on-one training session every single month, and then we provide those people with accessory work to do before or after class to work on the weaknesses so they're not frustrated on a regular basis in the gym. Because that's too hard, too specific to do in group class. Group class is for greasing the groove, one-on-one is for creating it, for carving it. So for these people, they can buy the same 12-pack, and how many months does that get them? If they're once a month. It's a year. You pay this once, and you can stop thinking about it. 1,080 once. You get a session every single month. What if you're not here in 6 months? That would suck. You can do it with somebody else, though. You're not paying me, you're paying the gym, right? So 12 sessions. Then I'm going to write a program for you on Fitbot. I'm going to write you a program. We're going to create an account for you on Fitbot. What Fitbot is it's a way for us to communicate, where I write you workouts, I write you things that you need to do that are not going to be anything like group class. It's going to be strength and movement stuff so that you can make sure that the weaknesses that you have are taken care of. That's it. We can't do it in class, but I don't want to have to charge you every single time you do it. You're a pretty accountable person. You don't need me to be there with you. You can post videos here and you're going to post feedback here. And most importantly, I can see if you did it or if you missed it. So I'm going to write you 3 workouts every single week that you're going to do before you get into the gym. They're going to take you 25 to 30 minutes. 3 days, right? On your weaknesses that we found in your assessment. You're going to pay for the training up front, $1,080 for the year. If you'd like, you can pay for the programming up front for the rest of the year as well, or you can pay this monthly. It's just an additional $199 per month. Yes?
So that's with seeing someone once a month and then you're writing them programming.
They bought 12 sessions, $1,080.
Yeah.
Now you're writing on the programming in between.
Yeah.
You're checking on them when you see them in person. How is the progression actually looking? They can post videos, they can post whatever they want, kind of content here, and you're going to communicate with them every single week. They write their workout every single time they do it. They give you the feedback. Once a week on their rest day, you go in and look at how they did. You make the appropriate progressions for the following week, just like you're getting right now. Right? They have access to you via email as much as they need. They are getting a problem solved. This solves a different problem than group class solves. Group class is fun, community, camaraderie, general fitness. They don't have to buy any of this if they don't want to. You're not forcing this on anybody. But for those people who want to be a part of this community, who can't get their problem solved in the group class, it's either you guys creating a solution for them or they're going to come pay us. Plain and simple. If you're creating the solution for them, $199, $249, whatever price you guys feel like is comfortable, you have them buying session packages up front. If you can get yourself to 10 people who are doing this with you, whatever the gym split is, let's say that it's 120 and 80. The gym gets 80, you get 120. That's $1,200 to you. Let's say they paid $90 for each of the 12 sessions and you guys get $55. That's another 50 times 12 is $660, I think. On this one client who's also paying the gym for membership, you're solving their problem and you're getting paid an additional $1,860. It's costing you 45 minutes times 12. 10 times, someone do that math for me. 45 times 12. Someone have a calculator?
Come on, Chris, you can win.
No. How many hours is it? Every 4 is going to be 3 hours, so it's 9 hours. So we have 9 hours, right? 9 hours of one-on-one. Whoops, so. And the monthly that you're getting paid your $1,200 for, actually that's the wrong number. Even if we leave it there, 100, 100, the gym splits and you split. If it's $100 and it takes you 40 minutes per month per client, let's say the same 45, just for easy math. You're getting paid $1,860 for 18 hours worth of work. What's the math on that? How much money do you get paid per hour if you do it like this? $100 an hour. That's how you duplicate yourself. You guys understand that? You get $1,200 from the 9 hours of one-on-one personal training. If you get, I'm sorry, that's wrong. This is for, you get $100 per month from programming them. Your take on $199, let's say, is $100. You get $100 per month for programming them. That's $1,200. You get $660 for one-on-one training them for 12 hours, or for 9 hours, because it's going to be 45-minute sessions. That's $660. This is your contact time. This is where you gain trust. This is where they're going to be paying you for the service, the solution that you provide instead of the service that you provide. This solution makes it so they don't have to buy 12 sessions every single month.
So it's $600 for 1 month, $1,200 for 1 year.
No, that's what you're getting paid.
This is what you guys are going to get paid for a year of working with the client. What do you mean then? What are you confused about?
No, I'm not. I just wanted to clarify.
Got it.
That's the 1,200 is for the year, the 600 is for the first month.
No. 1,200 is for the year of programming. 660 is for the year of one-on-one training sessions. This is if they do one training session every month.
That's what we're getting paid, not what they're paying.
Right. So you, the coach, ends up making $100 per hour on each of those clients. And it costs you 18 hours. So if you wanted to get yourself to, let's say, $1,000 a week, $52,000 a year, plus whatever you get paid to coach class, all you have to get yourself to is 10 hours per week. You gain this right by coaching classes in the gym. You get paid for them, but you gain the right to make this kind of money as a coach in a CrossFit gym by coaching classes in the gym and doing a good job. By being the second person who comes in and assists in class. And you get to make $100 per hour if the splits are 50-50. Is that enticing? Does this seem like something that is exorbitantly unreachable for clients here? Do you feel like people would look at this and be like, there's no way I'm doing that?
No, they would do it.
They will do it. I'll tell you this. For us,